dive into the ocean, the amazing world of sea turtles. Hello, young explorers. Welcome to Dive into the Ocean. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of sea turtles. These incredible creatures have been swimming in our oceans for millions of years, and today we'll discover the secrets of their lives. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Meet the sea turtles. Meet our friends, the sea turtles. They come in various shapes and sizes, but all of them are truly amazing. Did you know there are 7 different species of sea turtles? We have the loggerhead, green turtle, leatherback, hawksbill, Kemp's ridley, olive ridley, and the flatback. Life in the ocean. Sea turtles are like the superheroes of the ocean. They spend most of their lives in the water, gracefully gliding through the waves. But guess what? They need to come to land to lay their eggs. Can you believe that? Let's find out more about their incredible journey. Nesting and hatching. When it's time to lay eggs, mama sea turtles find a quiet beach. They dig a hole in the sand and lay their eggs there. After a few weeks, tiny baby turtles, called hatchlings, break out of their eggs and start their journey to the ocean. It's like a race to the sea. Sea turtle superpowers. Guess what makes sea turtles real superheroes of the sea? They have incredible powers. Sea turtles can hold their breath for a really long time, and some of them even travel thousands of miles across the ocean. Now, that's what I call turtle power. Fun facts. Time for some fun facts. Did you know that sea turtles have been around for millions of years? They are like ocean time travelers. And here's a cool one. Sea turtles can cry. But don't worry, it's just their way of getting rid of excess salt. Challenges and conservation. Our sea turtle friends face many challenges. Pollution, plastic in the ocean, and changing climates can affect them. But don't worry, there are heroes working to protect them. Scientists and conservationists around the world are doing their best to ensure a safe and healthy environment for sea turtles. How can we help? You can be a hero too. Let's learn how we can help sea turtles. We can reduce our use of plastic, participate in beach cleanups, and support organizations that work towards protecting these incredible creatures. Every small action counts. Conclusion. That's it for our underwater adventure today, explorers. Sea turtles are truly amazing creatures, and it's up to us to make sure they have a bright future. Thanks for joining us on Dive into the Ocean. Until next time, keep exploring and learning. Subscribe for more educational adventures.